how to wear two hairs on Roblox Mobile. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video we will be guiding you step by step in order to do so. So you can go to roblox.com and you need to use a browser for that, not the app. Go over and open up a browser and go to roblox.com and you'll be finding this particular interface once you are logged in. Now the next step you need to do is go ahead and turn on the desktop site. For that, look out for the three dot at the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, go ahead and scroll down and find the desktop site and tap on it. And you may just go ahead and turn on the desktop site. And there we go. And once you are on the desktop site, you will be finding this right here. Now the next step you need to do is look out for the menu bar at the top left and tap on it to open up a menu. And from here, look out for the option called avatar and go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on avatar, it will open up the space with your avatar editor where you can find all of your accessories and everything. Now, in order to go ahead and put two hairs, you may just go over and look out for the menu at the top and find the section called head and body. And when you drop it down, you'll be finding this section right here. So what you need to do is go ahead and long press on head and body like this and drop it down. And once you do so, you can just go and select the option called hair and you'll be finding all of your hairs. Now here, first of all select one of the base hair. For example, we would like to do this here, and on top of it we would like to put another one. Now what we need to do is find the hair who you would like to put on top. So let me just go ahead and book this pink one right here. Long press on the pink one and you'll be finding this menu up here. Look out for copy link address option and tap on it. After you copy the link, you can go over and look out for this option called advanced and tap on it. And there we go. Now here we need to input the code that we copied earlier. In this asset ID, just go ahead and paste up the code here. And there we go. Now just go ahead and tap on save. And you can just go ahead and tap on save again. And when you do, you'll be finding your character having two hairs on your character. And there we go. So this is how you basically wear two hairs on your Roblox mobile. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.